Hey guys, welcome back to another new YouTube video. So in this episode I want to show you trades that I took, but I was using divergence on the AUD USD. So I took some nice trades after like finding confirmation that okay, market is going to reverse. So I took some nice trades with strong hope that market is going my way, guys. So let me get started with this video. So this is my chart. As you can see, this is AUD. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So divergence, we use divergence for reversals. We want to catch reversals. We want to catch a new trend when a new trend is happening. So I took these trades just a few days back. Market has already played out like a lot, but so this is what we had. We had a major downtrend. I'm going to draw out a downtrend here so that you can see what a downtrend is. So this is a downtrend here, right here. So this is a downtrend right here. So this is my downtrend, as you can see. So this is the downtrend I had. I had market, giving me these lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, as you can see. So what I was waiting for, I wanted market to break out, but one of the breakouts, when a breakout happens, market has to break out and retest. So this is what we have here, as you can see here. You see, right? What we have here, market broke out and retested that level and then went up. But before that, I wanted to have also confirmation. So I'm going to add the RSI indicator because that's where I see divergence from. That's where I see divergence from. So the RSI stands for relative strength index. The RSI stands for relative strength index. Relative strength index. Let me see where's my RSI. So guys, the platform I'm using MT4. It looks quite different from the one this is MT4 online. This is the MT4 online. Yeah, so this is my RSI, guys. So this is my RSI down here. So divergence, we need to have like a certain move on our indicator, then also have a certain move on our on the market. So what the divergence I'm looking for is this. So I need to have this on my I need to have this. You see, something like this. You see, something like a falling wedge. You see, this is a falling wedge. Though I'm using the upper line as my the upper trend line also to form a falling wedge. Now, what I want is to have divergence. Divergence is when market is coming. You see, so this is divergence, guys. This is what we call divergence right here. So this is what we call divergence, and I've already done divergence in my previous videos, but I wanted to show it to you on even being able to identify another pattern, which is called a falling wedge. So as I told you, I had the downtrend like this, a clear downtrend. So when the breakout happened, I already have in my mind that this is a falling wedge and also have divergence here. So let me first try to mark out divergence here, and you can see I'm going to come here and choose these vertical lines so that you can see where divergence is. So you see, let me choose this again right here. So guys, look just in between here. You see down here, I have this line coming up like this. This indicates reversal, which is divergence, and then we have market coming out like this. So this is divergence. And I'm going to show you another example. Let me show you another example of how it looks like. So if I zoom out well, like this is, you see, this is what we have. Let me try to remove my grid, and you see, let me try to remove my grid so you can see. Let's see if it will come out. So look, guys, I've removed the grid. So I've removed these lines that go across the market. So look here down, you have here market coming up like this, and then you have this market coming down like this. So this was my AUD USD, but I didn't just take market down here. I waited for the market to break out for my trend line. Yeah, but I already had confirmation that market had to reverse. Yeah, so this is regular divergence. Sometimes this divergence can be it can be hidden divergence or regular divergence, and can also give you long-term reversals or just short-term reversals. As you can see now, this is a short-term reversal because market, you see, broke out. It came up to there somewhere, a level up there. Then after, you see, it reversed. Now market came back to this level here. Let me draw it out this level. Now market came back to this down level here. It's coming back to this down level here. You see, that's why price is coming back to test again and then bounce off and go back to the upper side. Yeah, but let me show you something. Let me show you something of a similar thing. Where is this? Here, right here. So guys, you see, same thing. We have a falling wedge here, we have divergence, and market went up big time. This is almost the same. This is almost the same. What it looks like, they're the same chart as I'm on right now, guys. You see, we have a falling wedge. If you extend this line for the falling wedge up to down up here, it would indicate as our trend line, which indicates for a downtrend. Again, when we draw this other line, it gives us a falling wedge, and then down here what we have divergence, guys. We have divergence. So when we come back here, I'll put back these grid lines, and I think let me just leave it like that. So as you can see, guys, we have this. Let me actually even make this line short. Let me make this just here. So guys, I think you can see what I have now. I have a very clear falling wedge and divergence at the same time. I have a clear falling wedge and divergence at the same time. So when did I take my entry? I took my entry because, remember guys, whenever we have any pattern, we need to first wait for a breakout and a retest to happen. We need to wait for a breakout and a retest. So this is the breakout. You see, guys, this was the breakout, retest, and then market went back up. So let me show you in my telegram. I sent the same signal, guys. We sent the same signal. Everyone received the same signal in the VIP. Brazil FX trading, let's go. So let me show you guys. Everyone received the same signal. As you can see, right here, AUD USD buy. Yeah. So before that we had the signal. I want to show you the signal before all that. So this was the signal, guys. As you can see, this was the signal. You see, AUD USD buy at that level. So let me show you the screenshot of after the market went our way. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you. AUD USD buy. So this is what we had. So guys, you see, we took entry after the breakout, exactly after breakout. You see that after breakout and retest. We didn't just, we don't like to gamble with this market. After the breakout, and then our first target was hit. As you can see, our first target was hit. That was 20 pips. Both all our targets were hit. 20 pips for the first target, and the other target was 50 pips. So we came out very well. As you can see, I'll zoom in here very well. I don't know if you can see this very clearly, but as you can see, you have market coming down. It breaks out, it retests, and you see our entry is here. That's our entry, guys. Let me zoom out. So let me come back to my web here. I show you. So if you are to take trades here, this is how you would take trades. You would take trades at exactly this point, just here. Because remember, we also have candles that tell us, okay, this is what is happening. They tell us that this is what is happening. So as you can see, we had a shooting star just down here. A shooting star is a reversal candle to the upper side. Yeah, but the most important thing is you have to wait for the breakout, retest, and then market goes back up to our way. But confirmation we had divergence, and we had also a falling wedge, which indicates reversal to the upper side, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video about the AUD USD trade using divergence. I'm bringing more and more content on how we can use divergence on multiple different currency pairs, so that you guys can add divergence strategy to your bag, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. See you, guys. God bless you, and keep safe.